Now see the next question. As much as we do the practice, that much confidence will come or generate that much confidence to solve the problem, and less time will consume. Within the specified period of time, will complete the question. So the next question is, A and B are partners. A and B are partners. A and B are partners. Profit sharing ratio between them is 2:1. C and D are admitted as a new partner. C and D, two partner is admitted. C and D, the two partner is admitted into the firm. The new ratio, this is the old ratio between A and B. Now new ratio after the admission is 4:2:3:1. 4:2:3:1 is the new ratio. Goodwill is valued. Valuation of goodwill is done on the date of admission. Valuation of goodwill is done on the date of admission, and it is valued at rupees 30,000. Valued as rupees 30,000. C brings 40,000 in cash and stock worth rupees 5,000. C brings rupees 40,000 in cash and stock worth rupees 5,000 as capital besides his share of goodwill in cash. So first about C's cash account debit. Stock account debit to C's capital to premium for goodwill. This is about the C's capital and C's premium for goodwill. So this is about the C. C brings 40,000 in cash and stock worth rupees 5,000 as capital. So his capital is 45,000 and the furniture what he has stock what he has given is 5,000. Now the premium for goodwill is valued 30 and C's share of profit is 3/10. So C's share of goodwill is 30,000 into 3/10. 3/10 is the share of profit in the new firm. So C's share of goodwill is 9,000. So 9,000. The difference amount will be your cash. Because already C has given 40,000 in cash. So rest amount he has to give for that. 40 plus 9, 49,000. 49,000. 40,000 already given at the time of capital and 9,000 he will give for goodwill. So this is for the C's capital and premium for goodwill. The next is D brings 10,000 as 10,000 in cash. D brings 10,000 in cash and furniture worth rupees 8,000 towards his capital and goodwill both. premium for goodwill. For both, he has given what? He has given 10,000 cash and 8,000 furniture for both capital and premium for goodwill. Now we'll find out the premium for goodwill. These premium for goodwill, these premium for goodwill, this share of goodwill, this share of goodwill. Total goodwill is 30 and this share is 1 by 10. 1 by 10. So this share of goodwill is 3. So write the 3 over here, 3,000, and rest amount will be the capital. The difference will be the capital. David said it is 18 minus 3. So 15,000 is the capital of D. This information is missing. We will find it out through the balancing figure, through the difference figure. Now next is this premium for goodwill will be transferred to the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So we'll calculate the sacrificing ratio first. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So in case of A, old ratio is 2 by 3, and new ratio is 4 by 10, 6, 3, 9 and 1, 10. In case of B, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 10, 30, 20 minus 8, 3, 12. So 8 by 30. Here 30 is the LCM. 10 minus 3, 6, 4 by 30. So the sacrificing ratio is 8 is to 4, means 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. So this premium for goodwill will be transferred to old partner A's capital and B's capital account, A's capital account and B's capital account in their sacrificing ratio. So the both amount is 9,000 is the premium for goodwill of C and 3,000 is the premium for goodwill for D. So total premium is 12,000 and this 12,000 will be divided in the ratio of 2 is to 1, that is the sacrificing ratio. So 8,000 and 4,000 respectively. 12,000 into 2 by 3 and 12,000 into 1 by 3. 8,000 and 12,000 into 1 by 3, that is 4,000. So this will be transferred. Okay. Now see the next. The next question is, X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 3 is to 2. They deal in sports item. Z is admitted as a partner for 1/5 share which he took from X and Y in the ratio of 2 is to 1. The goodwill of the firm was valued 45,000. Z brought his share of goodwill in cash and bought 10,000 in cash and plant 50,000, plant costing 50,000 towards his capital. Goodwill amounting to rupees 15,000 appeared in the books. X and Y further decided to withdraw 50% of their goodwill in cash as journal entries. So the question is, I'm going to discuss the question first. So question is, A, X and Y are partners. The profit sharing ratio between them is 3:2. They deals in a sports item. They admitted Z as a new partner for 1/5 share of profit, which he took from X and Y in the ratio of 2:1. This one is, so X sacrifice 1/5 into, in the ratio of 2:1, 2/3, and Y sacrifice 1/5 into 1/3, 2:1. So 2/15 and 1/15. This is a sacrifice. So new ratio, if you want to calculate the new ratio, if you want to know the new ratio, so new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. So the old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. So X, old ratio is 3/5 and he has sacrificed 2/15. So 15 7/15, 15 5, okay, 15 3, yeah, no, 2/5 is the old and he has sacrificed 1/15. So 15 3 6 minus 1 5/15, and the Z share is 1/5. Now I am going to make the denominators equal, multiplied to 5 both ends. So 5 upon 50, sorry, multiplied to 3. So 3 upon 50. So the new ratio between them is now 7:5:3 is the new ratio. Is it clear? So sacrificing is, as we have calculated this one is the old ratio, new ratio, as we have calculated 7:5:3, and sacrificing what we have calculated 2:1 is the sacrificing, 2:1, sacrificing is 2:1. Now come to the question once again. So the goodwill of the firm is valued, goodwill of the firm, goodwill is valued, goodwill of the firm, goodwill is valued at rupees 45,000. Goodwill is valued. So Z share of goodwill will be Z share of goodwill is equal to 45,000 into Z share is 1/5. So Z share of goodwill is 9,000. Z share of goodwill is 9,000. Now Z brought his share of goodwill in cash and brought 10,000 in cash and plant costing rupees 50,000. So cash account debit, plant account debit to Z's capital to premium for goodwill. Premium for goodwill. And we know the premium for goodwill of Z is 9,000. Okay. So how much cash the Z has given? Z brought his share of goodwill in cash and brought 10,000 in cash and plant costing rupees 50,000. Plant costing rupees 50,000. Okay, plant costing rupees 15,000. So total capital given by Z is 10,000 cash plus plant costing 50. It means Z has given as capital 60,000. 60 is the capital of Z, 10,000 in cash and 50,000 plant costing 50,000. So total capital given by Z is 60. His premium for goodwill is 9 as we have calculated. He has given plant of rupees this much. So difference amount comes to Z, cash account. Cash account will be debited with the difference amount. Here it is 69 minus 50. It is 19,000 he has given as cash. 10,000 already he has given here and 9,000 this amount. Total 19. Now next entry will be the premium for goodwill. Premium for goodwill account debit to X capital. In the last line, it has written that the past journal entries assuming that partners have fixed capital. So when the partners have a fixed capital, then this will be transferred to partners' current account. Current account. To X and Y's current account as the capital is fixed. If no information has given, then we'll consider it as a fluctuating capital. So here the capital is fixed. So this 9,000 will be divided between the partners in their sacrificing ratio, that is 2:1. So 6,000 and 3,000 respectively to their current account as the capital is fixed. The next is goodwill amounting to 15,000 appear in the books. So goodwill appear in the books means in the balance sheet goodwill is appearing. In the asset side goodwill is appearing 15,000. So what we'll do, we'll write off this amount. So writing off this amount will credit the goodwill account. Will credit the goodwill account 15 and debit the old partner's current account X and Y. I'm going to do the treatment in current account through the current account. So this amount will be transferred to old partner X and Y in their old ratio. And the old ratio between them is 3:2. So this 15,000 will be divided in the ratio of 3:2 means 3/5 and 2/5. So 9,000 and 6,000 respectively. Half of the amount, it has written that the 50% of the goodwill is withdrawn by the partner. So 50% amount when they have withdrawn, so X current account debit, Y's current account debit to cash account. 50% amount is withdrawn. So 50% of 6,000 is 3,000, 50% of 3,000 is 1,500. So total 4,500 is withdrawn by the old partner from the firm. So 3 entry will be done by us. First entry is for the capital and premium for goodwill. The capital is given, Z's capital is 10,000 he has given in cash and 50,000 for his brought in the business of plant of rupees 50,000 he has given to the business as a capital. So this 10 plus 50, 60,000 is the Z's capital. Premium for goodwill, as we have calculated, the value goodwill is valued 45 and Z's share of goodwill is 9,000, 1/5 share. So it is 9. Plant is already given. So total cash will be 10,000, the capital amount, and 9,000 of this amount. This amount 9,000 and this amount here, this amount. So total 19,000 cash comes in the business. Now this amount will be transferred to old partners capital or current account. When the capital is fixed, then we will transfer to current account, and if it is capital is fluctuating, then it will transfer to capital account. So here the capital is fixed, so it is transferred to partners capital account in their sacrificing ratio. In which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. And thereafter half of the amount is withdrawn, 6,000 and 3,000, half amount is this, is withdrawn by them, and the goodwill which is appearing in the balance sheet, book value of the goodwill, this will be write off by us. This will be written off. This will be written off. So goodwill will be credited and partners current account will be debited, old partners current account in their old ratio, that is 3:2. Okay.